Data types in Java. Data types specify the different sizes and values that can be stored in the variable. There are two types of data types in Java: primitive data types. The primitive data types include boolean, char, byte, short, int, long, float, and double. Non-primitive data types. The non-primitive data types includes classes, interfaces, and arrays. Java primitive data types. In a Java language, primitive data types are building blocks of data manipulation. These are the most basic data types available in Java language. There are 8 types of primitive data types: Boolean data type, byte data type, char data type, short data type, int data type, long data type, float data type, and double data type. These are the structures of the data types. Data type including primitive and non-primitive interface. Primitive includes Boolean and numeric. In the numeric, there are character and integral. In character, we found that character and integral, byte, short, int, long. And in the integral, another one floating point, float and double. Non-primitive, array, string, array, and etc. Data type default value default size boolean false slash u 0000 2 bytes byte 0 default value is 0 and default size is 1 byte. Short default value is 0 and default size is 2 byte. Int default value is 0, int default size is 4 bytes. Long default value is 0 L, default size is 8 byte. Float 0.00f default value and default size is 4 bytes. Double default value is 0.0 d, default size is 8 bytes. Boolean data type. The Boolean data type is used to store only two possible values, true and false. This data type is used for simple flags that track the true and false conditions. The Boolean data type specifies the one bit of information, but its size can't be defined precisely. Example: Boolean 1 is equal to false. Byte data type. The byte data type is an example of a primitive data type. It is an 8-bit signed two complements integer. Its value range lies between -128 to 127. Its minimum value is -128 and maximum value is 127. Its default value is 0. The byte data type is used to save memory in large arrays where memory savings is most required. It saves space because 4 byte is a 4 times smaller than the an integer. It can also be used in place of int data type. Example: byte a is equal to 10, byte b is equal to -20. Short data type. The short data type is a 16-bit signed two complements integer. Its value range lies between -32 768 to 32 767. Its minimum value is -32 768 and maximum value is 32 767. Its default value is 0. The short data type can also be used to save memory. Just like byte data type, a short data type is 2 times smaller than the integer. Short s is equal to 10,000, comma short r is equal to -5,000. Int data type. The int data type is a 32-bit signed two complements integer. Its value range lies between -2, 147, 483, 648. We can say -2 to the power of 31 to 2 lakh 1 2 crore 147 lakh 4 no, 2 comma 147 comma 483 comma 647. We can say that 2 to the power of 2 to the power 31 minus 1. Its minimum value is 2 -2 comma 147 comma 483 648 and maximum value is 2 147 483 647. Its default value is 0. The int data type is generally used as a default data type for integral values unless if there is no problem about memory. Example: int a is equal to 1 lakh and minus b int b is equal to -2 lakh. Long data type. The long data type is a 64-bit two's complement integer. Its value range lies between there's something minus 2 to the power of 63 to 2 to the power 63 minus 1, and its maximum and minimum values. Its default value is 0. The long data type is used when you need a range of values more than those provided by int. Log a is equal to some number, b is equal to minus some number. Float data type. The float data type is a single precision 32-bit IEEE 754 floating point. Its value range is unlimited. It is recommended to use a float if you need to save memory in large arrays of floating point numbers. The float data type should never be used for precise values such as currency. Its default value is 0.0f. Example, float f1 is equal to 234.5 f. Data type, data type. The double data type is a double precision 64-bit IEEE 754 floating point. Its value range is unlimited. The double data type is generally used for decimal values, just like a float. The double data type also should never be used for precise values such as currency. Its default value is 0.0 D. Example, double D1 is equal to 12.3. Char data type. The char data type is a single 16-bit Unicode character. Its value range lies between uh, 0 0 to 65 533. Is a character type is used to store the characters. Example, char letter A is A equals to apostrophe A. Why char uses 2 byte in Java, and what is the what is /u0000? It is because Java uses Unicode system, not ASCII code system. The /u0000 is a lowest range of Unicode system that to get detailed explanation about Unicode is displayed.